Our second, we are here to present our morning assembly. Different topics in our assembly. Firstly, my topic is about life. Life is a continuous ongoing process. That has to, someday life is all about drawing yourself, creating yourself. Thank you, have a nice day. Now next is Muhammad Soil Anjum.
Thank you, Zan. Good morning, everyone. I, Soil Anjum, is here to recite a poem about nature. Nature is very beautiful. Nature gives us a lot of things. Life without nature is not possible. We must stay close to nature. We should protect our nature. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now next is Junaid Dajjal. To say about success. Success is very powerful work. Today everyone wanted to be successful. According to me, basic things that make a person successful. That is hard work and dedicated to become successful. It is necessary to never give up. Thank you very much. Now next is Avni Sharma. Thank you, Junaid. Good morning, everyone. I Avni here to say quote about math. Math is only place where truth and beauty mean the same thing. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now next, Mohammed Sohan.
Thank you, Avni. Good morning, everyone. I, Suhan, is here to say quote about math. Mathematics is give us hope that every problem has a solution. Now next is Bisma.
Thank you, Sohan Javed. Good morning, everyone. I, Bisma Chaudhary, is here to clean up the classroom. Cleanliness is a major step in our life or having a healthy life. Anyone can keep himself clean. We should also keep our room clean. It maximizes the learning experience of the student. Thank you. Now next is Ariba.
Thank you, Bisma. Good morning, everyone. I, Ariba, is here to present a speech on cleanliness. Cleanliness is a very important in our life. It is required to keep us healthy. We should make it a habit to clean our environment. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now next is Ait Fatima.
Thank you, Ariba. Good morning, everyone. I, Ayat Fatima, is here to say amazing facts. Squirrels can't rub or vomit. Owls don't have eyeballs, they have eye tubes. A group of parrots is known as a pandemonium. Thank you. Have a great day. Now next is Alia Chaudhary. Good morning, everyone. I, Alia Chaudhary, is here to say about discipline. Discipline plays an important role like all of us. Discipline teaches us to follow the rules. Discipline is the first step to success. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now next is Vinalika Sharma. Good morning, everyone. I, Vinalika, is here to sing a song. Watan watan mere abaad rahe tu. Watan watan